I see. Hey, you're doing good, but you're going to do me a favor, sir.
What?
Main event, when Cole comes out, throw that at the corner.
I got one.
Okay.
I can do it too.
You got one too?
I'll get him to help me.
Cool, yeah, that'll work.
We'll make it work.
I don't know where I'm going to be.
Yeah, one of the girls got me a blue one.
Yeah, I got a blue one too. That's Blocky! 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 Blocky!
It's so dangerous in the city. You wouldn't like me. Your mama or your
You suck, Birdo! Yeah, you turtle head! Birdo!
And his opponent. Look at this cat. This is a cat. What a cat. Beautiful body, short, cotty, great coat, beautiful pattern. I love the head. Broad, round, flat.
Gato! Okay.
weighing 195 pounds. He is the
You scared, Birdo?
champion, one half of the TGCW Tag Team Champion, and Vladimir Koloff's best friend, Gato!
Really? What, they gonna put catnip at him next? Take control of the match, ref. Murdo don't know that. 80 degrees, he got a coat on.
Murdo sucks.
Murdo sucks.
Murdo sucks. Murdo sucks. Murdo sucks. Murdo sucks. Murdo sucks.
Murdo sucks. Red flag sucks. Red flag sucks.
Come on, ref, that hussy's cheating. We know that. I have a sticker that says that. Murdo don't wear the pants. He wears the ugly tights. He's just mad because he got kicked out in the Ninja Turtles. Yeah, tell him, Shug. Ain't nobody scared of Murdo. Oh! Laser pointer.
Come on, bro.
That was cheaper than Murdo's coat. Yeah. Yeah. I don't want your ugly coat. It ain't even cold.
You said you want a coat. I got you, new.
Oh, thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you, Shug.
Shorty sucks. Shorty sucks. Shorty, you suck. Oh, okay.
Excuse me.
Dude, I got you, dude.
Thank
I
you,
know
sir.
that Koloff guy wouldn't try and treat you well with the coat, but don't worry, brother.
I appreciate it. Right there. Thank you, sir.
Sorry, Dave. I look so unhappy around here. You looking for the other girl?
Hey, Murdo, I got my coat.
You got a coat, bud?
I got my coat. Shug got me a coat, Murdo. Ooh. Get him, Gato. Oh. Oh! That wasn't one of his 9 lives. Oh, man. That was 3, Shane. Come on, Shane. This ref sucks. This ref sucks. This ref sucks. So does Murdo. Oh! He stepped on the tractor with that boot.
Come on, rep to your time. Start counting. Start counting, rep. Come on, rep.
What the?
This guy has
Ain't nobody got cigars. The other hand, Shane. The other hand, Shane. Come on. Oh. Rocker dropper? Good work, Shane. Good work, Shane. Woo!